On April 16, Institute for Democratic Initiatives held a press conference at the press center of IRFS in connection with the refusal to register the NGO. The conference discussed refusal of independent NGOs applications for registration. Recent amendments made to the legislation has further deteriorated the already poor conditions of public unions, so that their funding sources have been limited and large fines have been defined for the technical errors. The Institute for Democratic Initiatives has sued the Minister of Justice, said the chairman of the NGO and the member of Central Election Commission Akif Gurbanov. According to Gurbanov, although they applied to the Minister of Justice for registration, their documents were turned down without any consideration. The Baku Administrative-Economic Court No. 1 will look at their claim on April 23rd. Gurbanov pointed out that since 2005, authorities have been attacking on political parties, NGOs and media. He evaluated the activities of the Minister of Justice as neglecting NGOs. The head of the Democratic Institutes and Human Rights Public Union Elchin Abdullayev noted that currently there are about 3,000 registered and approximately 2,000 unregistered NGOs in Azerbaijan. The Minister of Justice turned the issue of registration of NGOs into the political process. Depending on the profile of the NGO, relevant ministries are sent surreptitious inquiry in order to clarify credibility of NGOs and whether it can be registered. However, Abdullayev voiced such an opinion that NGOs are not adequately defending their rights. Only 400 unregistered NGOs out of 2,000 have appealed to the court, whereas half of them didn't continue protection of their rights. Hafiz Hassanov, the chairman of the NGO Law and Development, said that though Court of Strasbourg has 5 precedential decisions on Azerbaijan authorities declined to register NGOs. Head of the East-West Research Center, Ersan Oruclu, commented on the hypocrisy of international organizations, which verbally support civil societies, but in action disregard the destruction of these institutions by the authorities. Aves Hassanov, head of the Society of Humanitarian Efforts, called on civil society to consolidate their efforts in countering the repressive measures by the authorities in relation to NGOs and to defend their rights in the courts. As a result, it was decided to send concrete proposals to the government on the elimination of the existing problems hindering the development of the civil society.